So there's an exhibit that's just opening today featuring myself and Ron Clemens, who is a director at Disney as well, and he's been a director for a very long time. And Ron and I actually worked together on Princess and the Frog and Moana. So we both have Iowa connections, and we both worked on projects together. And so it's an exhibit, as part of the exhibit of Hollywood in the Heartland that's honoring both Ron and myself. I'm very honored. I'm very proud to be from Iowa. I still have very strong Iowa connections. My family still lives here, and so it's unbelievable. I'm just unbelievably proud.
So on behalf of our governor, Kim Reynolds, and the state of Iowa, we do hereby proclaim today, August 7th, 2019, as Don Hall Day.
If you have a passion for something, to follow it no matter what. It took me several years to get to Disney. It took me 3 times to get to Cal Arts, which was the college that I wanted to go to, but never quit. If you have passion for something, don't ever quit.